anybody ever been in the vehicle with an adult, because you're not driving, and you're driving down the highway and you see a sign that says caution, surveyors at work?
Yeah.
Okay. So, here.
Surveyors at work? What's that?
Surveyor. So,
Oh, those guys. Wait,
yeah.
Who are those?
So they have like these little cameras. They have these little cameras where they measure distances. So there are some times where we can't just like throw out a tape measure and measure. Look at this number 9. I want to know how wide the river is. You're not going to measure that with a tape measure. But instead, they'll use their little devices to figure out distances and angles and make similar triangles.
I have one of those at home, but it shows the already on it.
Okay. So here is our river, and we are looking for how wide the river is. Okay. In this other triangle over here, how far away, well, I guess, what number is in the same place as X in this triangle? Okay, so what's happening is the surveyor guy is standing right here with his camera, and he's measured that he's 82.5 feet away from the riverbank. He's making sure he's figuring out what this angle is, and then he can come here and measure this distance, okay? So, what does 24 feet correspond with? 15, okay? So what we're going to do to find how wide the river is, we're going to put X over 82.5. And if I put X over 82.5, what is my second ratio going to be? Do you agree with Carly that it's 24 over 15?
Yes, and then you do 15.
Hold on. I'm not ready. I know, yes, you are right, but just hold on. Okay? If I'm going to do X over 82.5, then I got to grab 24 over 15. We have to be consistent. Get it out, sweetie. You got it.
And then you gotta do 15x equals 1,980. You got it.
Okay, I trust Khalid, but can somebody just double check that 82.5 times 24 is 1,980? It is? Okay,
And then you
thanks.
divide the 1,180 by 15 and you get 132.
Hey, Fernando, 132 what? Yep, but what do we put behind it? Okay. What's up, Story? Are we getting excited over?
Yes, we're getting excited over that.
Leave it and I'll collect them. I meant to collect them later or earlier. Okay. All right. Here we have places on a map. Okay. Find the distance from Avon to Franklin. Do you see Avon? Do you see Franklin? Here's Avon, here's Franklin. So the distance I'm trying to find is this guy right here. So what should we put there? Let's put an X there. Okay. Now, when we look at the other triangle, hold on. What I'm asking is who does X correspond with? Okay, 150. So we call that the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. Okay, that's something we'll talk about later. So you're telling me that 80 and 128 correspond?
Yes.
Okay. What I want you to do is just set up the proportion that you think would get us the answer. Don't solve it yet, just set up the proportion. Set up the two. Oh, cool Story. Thank you. But right now, I want people to just set it up.
Wait, what did I do?
What?
What did I do?
I said cool Story. Like cool Story, bro.
Yes.
Not story with an I, story with a Y.
Miss Sonia.
Yes.
Well, I don't know. Is this right? Chill.
I think it is.
93.75 miles.
Rhea, are you willing to tell me what proportion you set up?
X over 150 and then 80 over 128.
X over 150 equals 80 over 128. Did anybody set theirs up differently than Rhea?
Yeah.
What did you do, Fernando?
Put up 150, and then I put X under it equals 80, and then
Okay,
Yeah.
so Fernando, do you see how 150 is in this big triangle? So if we're gonna put the big triangle in the numerator, then we have to do that on the other side too. So which number is from the big triangle? What other number?
128.
So 128 needs to be the numerator so that both of these numbers that I'm circling in blue are from the big triangle, and then both of the denominators are from the little triangle. Do you see what I'm saying there?
Yeah.
Okay. And that's why I'm asking you how you're setting it up. Okay? Anybody else set it up different? Clee?
80 over 128 equals X over 150.
Okay, so that looks like that just in reverse. Okay, so no matter what, we are taking 128 times X and 150 times 80. Ugh, what is that? Yeah. Yes. Our homework is going to be these 4 problems. Okay. Okay, what is 150 times 80? What? 12,000. Okay, so then when we divide 12,000 by 128, 93.75. Marshall, what's our label?
Those are grapes.
Miles.
Miles. I probably wouldn't count it wrong, but this is an easy one to just write down the answer, okay? Okay, so your job is to turn the page to page 22, and you have 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 4 problems, and look what I did. Here are the answers. So as you do them, you can check them as you go, okay?